Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Howarang in Tekken. Howarang is a highly aggressive character known for his relentless pressure and unique stance-based combat. He primarily operates from two core stances: left stance, or LFS, and right stance, or RFS. Understanding how to fluidly transition between these stances and utilize their distinct movesets is fundamental to mastering his offensive flow and keeping your opponents guessing. Let's dive into the specifics of each stance. From left stance, Howarang excels at initiating offense with fast, high-hitting attacks and solid mid-range pokes. You'll often transition into left flamingo stance, or LFF, from here, which opens up even more aggressive options. Focus on using moves like left kick to the head for quick damage and to set up powerful combo starters. This stance is your primary tool for establishing early pressure and forcing your opponent to react to your rapid-fire assaults. Switching to right stance, or RFS, allows Howarang to unleash devastating low attacks and tricky mix-ups. From RFS, you'll frequently enter right flamingo stance, or RFF, which is perfect for extending combos and maintaining relentless pressure. Look for opportunities to use moves like right low kick to catch opponents off guard, or powerful mid-attacks to launch them into the air. This stance is crucial for breaking through defensive players and maximizing your damage output. The true mastery of Howarang lies in your ability to fluidly transition between left stance and right stance. Practice specific combo routes that weave through both LFS and RFS, maximizing your damage and keeping your opponent guessing. Many of his attacks can be canceled into a stance, allowing for extended pressure and unpredictable mix-ups. By mastering these transitions, you'll unlock Howarang's full potential, becoming a truly formidable and relentless force on the battlefield.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.